Hello students, this is Abhishek from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. Today we are taking last two modules of chapter 1 of BBST of class 12, that is functions of management and coordination. So I have already written in my whiteboard planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. These are the basically 5 functions of management, and afterwards the next topic will be coordination. In coordination we will discuss its essence, its nature, its need and importance. So students, first function is planning. Planning is a primary function, first function of the management, base of all other function, and it involves decision making or choices. Second function is organizing. Organizing means identifying the activities, grouping them, establishing authority responsibility relationship, creation of various departments, assigning of duties, creating a structure, creating a framework for managerial and operational activities, design skeleton of a organization. Third is staffing. All activities related to human resources of the organization. It includes recruitment, selection, training, development of employees, estimating number and types of the employees to be required in future. Next is directing, giving instructions, order to the employees. In this, 4 things comes: motivation, supervision, supervising, communicating, and last, heading employees towards the achievement of goal. Last is controlling. Control ensures work accomplishment as per plan or planning. Comparison between actual and planned performance. If any deviation from expectation or standard is due to lacking of controlling. Finding out deficiency in implementation of plan. So students, Luther Gulick has also given a concept of Port's Corp. According to this concept, planning, organizing, directing, staffing, coordinating, reporting and budgeting are the functions of management. Now we are moving to the term coordination. In coordination, we will discuss nature, essence and need and importance. What do you mean by the term essence? Essence means core or soul or basic or center or some things related to with the quality. If we do not have the essence, we cannot perform these 5 functions properly of the management. The nature of coordination and its needs and importance. So students, coordination is the process by which manager synchronizes the activities of different departments. Coordination is the force that binds all the other functions of management. Coordination is the base or primary function of every manager because various departments of an organization are working independently and there is need to relate and integrate their activities. Now, coordination as the essence of management. It is right because of 3 points. Coordination is needed to perform all the functions of management. The process of coordination begins at planning stage when top management plans for the entire organization, and it lasts with controlling. It ensures no discrepancy between plan and actual performance. Second, coordination is required at all levels. It might be top, middle or lower level. Third, coordination is the most important function of an organization. Any company which fails to coordinate its activities cannot survive and run successfully for a longer period of time. Now, the next topic is nature or feature of coordination. So, I have written 5 features of coordination. First is coordination integrates group efforts. Second, it ensures unity of efforts. Third, it is a continuous or ongoing process. Fourth, coordination is a pervasive function, or we can say it is a universal concept required at all levels and in all department of the institute. Fifth, coordination is responsibility of all the managers. So students, the need and importance of coordination is that if you want to survive, if you want to grow, if you want to diversify, and if you want to beat in the market, compete with your competitors, there should be proper coordination in your firm. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.